Able to listen me? Children, are you able to listen me? Okay. So first of all, we see this story. This story, our house is on fire. This is based on reports, articles, and speech. Based on reports, articles, and speech. Means this is not the imaginary story exactly. This happened, and from the newspaper you can say, article you can say, speech you can say, this written. Okay, this story is, this real incident is written. Look at the picture in the page number 81 and discuss the question that follows. Question number 1: what do you think has been shown in the picture above? So I think in the picture water is there, then forest like structure is there, and then maybe forest fire, I can guess. How do you think such a thing happens? How forest fire can happen? Forest fire can happen because of many reasons. One of the reasons is that when the trees are dry and when the trees are rubbing against each other, that time high possibility is there that they can get fire. Which animal do you think are standing in the river? So I guess which animal? So I'm not able to guess any animal standing in the river, right? Can you all guess, children, which animal maybe is standing in the river like this? So try to speak in between, children. If you will not speak, what you will understand? What is the first thought that came to you after looking at this picture? So the first thought came to me, only two children are there in the class, Sambhav and Ahana. Okay, so the first thought came to me is about the forest fire, right? So why all other children, they have not joined the class, not able to understand? Okay, so they are joining late. Now Upasana has joined. Children, try to join the class on time, okay? So now read about a Swedish girl to know why she wants adults and leaders to behave as if our house is on fire. So this is a girl, and what this girl wants from every one of us, all the leaders, all the adults, from every one of us, that they should behave in that manner that our house is on fire. Okay? Why? Because if the leaders and all the people, all the adults, they will behave in that manner where the house is on fire, means they will try to distinguish the house. They will try to make this fire off. So I can say this, she is environmental activist. She used to think about the environment more, and she used to encourage others also for the same work and deed. Having just started ninth grade, Greta Thunberg, a 15-year-old Swedish girl, decided to not go for school 3 weeks. You can see her picture also. After passing ninth standard, what she did? She decided I will not go for school for few weeks. One more picture you can see her having the board in the hand and standing on the road. And the next picture you can see, and one more picture you see, she is talking, she is speaking in the general public and discussing with everyone that what they should do, why they should behave like the house is on fire. And the next page you see someone is having the interview of the girl child. You see, maybe they are asking questions from inspiration, where you got this inspiration, what inspired you to do this. Okay, like this, maybe different questions can be there. So let's start this story, inspirational story, where ninth standard going child, only 15-year-old, is giving a worldwide message to everyone, and it is expected from all of us that we listen to her and we do the same. So from this it is clear, children, that to do something, age doesn't matter. Don't think that when I will become 40 years old, 50 years old, that time only I will do something great. No, don't think this. Many examples are there, those who have done great things at early age and those who have done great things at old age. But the thing is, they have done great. So let's start this interesting story, inspirational story. So read in the book, children, in your mind when I am reading. Having just started ninth grade, Greta Thunberg. So the central character, the story is Greta Thunberg. How old she is? She is only 15 years old, and she is Swedish girl. How someone is born in India, they are called Indians. Like that only, someone who is born in Switzerland is called Swedish. So what is her plan? First of all, she decided that I will not go to school for a few weeks. It was the 20th of August 2018. Instead, she headed over to the Swedish Parliament. Instead of going to the school, she went to the Swedish Parliament. Holding a sign with the message Scots Screech for Climate Trade. The meaning is resolving to sit outside it. The Swedish general elections were scheduled to be held on 9th September. With the hottest summer recorded in the past 262 years of the teeny Scandinavian country, resulting in prolonged heat waves and serious wildfires. This is a hot country, and record is saying last 262 years this much temperature they have not faced. How much the temperature is hot today? And the girl is holding the poster and she is standing in front of the Swedish Parliament. And the message is there. The message is that the house is on fire. The reason behind Greta's one-person strike took on more immediately and urgency. Her protest began due to feeling that there really was no time for waiting. In description, but with determination, she began her fight alone. You see, she started fighting alone. Many times in the life, we have to take the stand and we have to struggle alone only children. Okay, many times in the life we have to struggle alone, we have to take the stand alone. If you feel you are right. Okay, so I hope all the children are listening this. And then this was the time of election. So generally at the time of election, what used to be done? The leaders used to please the voters. Okay, they want to see everywhere nothing wrong should happen. And this type of scene, if they will see, they will surely do something. That's how this young girl of only 15-year school going child is holding the poster and standing in front of the Swedish parliament. So, what is the issue? All by herself, a crusade to save the climate. And what she said that these all things I am going to do to save the climate. I am sensitive towards the climatic changes which should not happen. So you see children, next paragraph, you all match also when I am reading, okay? Who was there to wait for Gita thought? The adults had already played with the future of the planet and put a deep jeopardy. And yet, even more alarmingly, they continue to do so, disregarding any respect for climatic science. Self admittedly, no climate scientist herself, Greta first heard about global warming when she was 8. So, someone messaged something. What you messaged? I had not seen, but it is recorded in the screen, so I had to play. So you are saying बहुत boring है. The lesson is boring. You can type in English also. Don't type in Hindi. Okay. See who is writing this. Let me tell you something to you. Entertainment and education is different. Okay. Entertainment, education, they both are different. And here, I am not to make you happy. I am not here so that you will become always interested. Children, this is a very good story if you are able to see that how a 15-year school going girl is giving the message to a whole country and the world. Can you imagine this? If you will understand the beauty of the story, then you will like the story. Okay? And be serious in the studies, children. This is the last warning who messaged. So, you see, the adults had already played with the future of the planets. So, sorry, children. And yet, even more things are going to happen. Self-admittedly no climate scientist herself, Greta first learned about global warming when she was only 8 years old. Global warming. Now let's discuss what is called global warming. So anyone from the class wants to say what is called global warming? Anyone wants to say what is called global warming? You don't know, children? Okay, listen now. So, the abnormal increase in the Earth's temperature is called global warming. Okay, increase in the Earth's temperature is called global warming. One more question I want to say. Increase in the human's temperature is called. If you will say no, I will teach more nicely. Increase in the human's temperature is called fever. It is called fever. Fever. And increase in the temperature of Earth is called global warming. So can I say, children, that global warming is just like the fever to the Earth? So our Earth is suffering from fever, and that fever is called global warming. And you see, the temperature is increasing. Maybe because of this increasing temperature, the polar ice of the Himalayas they will melt, and we can get flood all over the world. Maybe the humanity cannot survive in that extreme and harsh condition. So this is the time for us to think again. This is the time for us to think one more time that yes, what we are doing, is it okay? And how much our contribution is there in polluting the nature and causing climatic changes like global warming. So, children, we should not blame others only. We should practice these things in our life also. Till here, have you understood, children? Yes, no, something you can say. Okay. Any child read after that? Page number 83. Anyone start reading? Okay, Kanchan, read. Her teacher first exposed her to the phenomenon by showing her films. Read this. This class is not discipline. Any child from this class don't want to read.